Hello. Hi, hi.
You know how to get out of here?
That way is easy down to Post Oak.
Well,
The trail's kind of obvious.
Oh, we were trying to find our way out that way. We couldn't.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Did you follow the creek?
Well, we have to go. We're parked on this end, though.
Oh, okay.
So we gotta go back through the boulders.
yeah, you know, there's a way along the edge, this side. I can't say I could describe how to do it, where you don't have to go across the boulders. I've tried to cross the boulders one time, and that's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Because they're big boulders, and they're not nice, easy steps.
Yeah, we came. That's how we came down.
Yeah, that's challenging. You might scare you once or twice.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking you'll find a way kind of along the edge that misses, along this edge that misses most of that.
Okay.
Uh,
Try it anyway.
yeah,
Yeah, thank you, sir.
yeah. That's the way I'm hoping to find it. It's been a year or so since I did it, so I don't know. Yeah, we might both have good fortune. Good luck. I'm gonna take a picture of this boulder here, but I'm thinking this ends up in the boulders this way. Yeah. I'm kind of liking the looks of that trail to the left.
Did we come this way? No, well, we came out of the rock somewhere.
I don't know.
Where exactly we came out of. Yeah, we can pass this way.
Yeah, good boulders.
Oh yeah, I remember these trees.
Mhm. They're all big. Good God Almighty. These boulders all wanted to be